So today the kitchen crew, Karen Wiley and her faithfuls, are preparing a variety of packed lunches that will be distributed via a doorstep delivery to all the young people, children throughout Lochside and North West. This is a key service because prior to the COVID-19 outbreak, LCA delivered a Grub Club, which is a holiday hunger programme. That's to help children and young people and their families access fresh, free, nutritious food throughout the holiday period. With the news of the COVID-19 outbreak, Lochside Community Association decided that we would need to close our doors and of course cease all services. However, we were quite fearful of what the impact of that would be on our young people. And we do know that Dumfries and Galloway Council have really stepped up to the breach. However, we also know, because we're here operating within the community, that there are many households who are not currently in a system, they're not registered for free school meals, they're not in receipt of universal credit at the moment, and these are the people who could potentially fall through the cracks. So getting lunches to the children and young people is really, really important. Well, we've had to think quite fast and on our feet and adapt quite radically. So whereas before COVID-19 we would have had people come to the centre and use our facilities and service, we've adapted to become a doorstep delivery model. So we've done that with absolute incredible support from Aberlour and colleagues at Dumfries and Galloway Council and of course volunteers. So there's probably about maybe 750 to 800 packed lunches here. Most of the packed lunches contain a little drink, a little treat, whether it's there's a piece of fruit in there, and there's I'm not terribly sure what these are, but I believe the children love them. And there's a filled roll, and perhaps they get maybe a packet of crisps and a little chocolate treat of some description, or a cake. We've also got Karen Wiley has been fabulous in the kitchen. She's been producing cooked meals, and this is a way to help our elderly to make sure that they're receiving all the nutritional values that they need. A lot of the older residents in our community don't actually have the capacity to do online shopping, and many of them are self-isolating without family members being able to go and do the usual drop-off weekly. So cooked meals have been a big part of the process of helping quite vulnerable community members as well.